When you shake it, the light is on, the horn is beeping. Hello tech boys, tech girls, have you seen those earthquake alarms? Let's build one today. Let's take the power module. The vibration, the light, and the horn. Of course, we are going to need some cables. Let's fix the power module on the board. Connect the power module to the light and the horn. Remember positive to positive. Then connect the light and the horn to the vibration. And lastly, connect the vibration back to the power module. Let's fix the light and the horn onto the board. When we shake the vibration, the light is on, the horn beeps, just like how earthquake alarms work. Have fun! See you next time!